The next feature coming here is the rib, but we will keep the rib for the next tutorial because we will show you how to use the draft, then the shell, and then there will be a need for the rib to support the draft and the shell we created. So let's try to make a box here. Very quick box, extrude it. Okay, so we have that box. So now you are able to make a draft. If you remember from the extrusion, you have the draft angle that you are able to create an equal drafting sides from all the sides. But with the draft, you are able to create a draft in some parts, not in all of the faces or edges. So let's click on draft. Here the neutral plane and faces the draft. The neutral plane is the neutral plane method, which you are selecting the plane which are not going to move or any change, and faces to draft, let's select that face. So the draft angle, let's type 10 to be more clear to see, and here you have the direction of the draft. So in this case, draft outside. So let's click OK. You see we made a 10-degree draft on that edge. Let's edit that feature. Click on that arrow, reverse direction, so it will be a draft inside. So here you have this. So also you are able to select many faces. You have the neutral face, you have only one face to select, but in the face draft you can select two faces, for example, or many faces. And let's click OK. So you drafted these two edges 10 degrees. So this is the neutral face draft.